In this video, I will show you how to make or create Google Meet link. In order to do that, simply open any browser. It could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox, any one you wish to use. The moment you've opened your browser, make sure you are logged into your Google account. And then once you're logged into your Google account, you just simply click on this Google Apps, then scroll to this Meet, then click on it. This will open up the Meet interface, the Google Meet interface for you. Once you are there, you simply click on New. Here you have the options of creating a meeting for later. You also have another option of creating an instant meeting or scheduling it in your Google Calendar. Let's say you wish to create a Google link for later meeting. You can just simply click on this very one. Then you can see it has created this link for you. You simply copy it and then you forward it to the people that are supposed to get that particular link. Alternatively, if you want to create an instant meeting, you can just simply click on this instant meeting, and then whoever that has this link will just simply join with this particular link. You can see the link here, and then that's exactly how you can create that particular link. Also, if you want to schedule it in your Google Calendar, you can just simply click on this very one. And then the moment you click on it, you just have to choose the date and the time you want people to join your meeting using this Google link. You can see it from here. Then let's say you wish to make it, let's say 20th. If it is this particular time that is convenient for you, you just have to select the time. Then also, if you want people to get a reminder, you can just set the time here. And then if there are things you wish to add up in this reminder to other people, you can just write up the message here. If there's any Google Drive attachment, you can just simply click on that. And then this is where you invite people and all of that, how you want the guest to have the permissions you want to grant to the guest. This is where you can also do that. If you are done, you can also write the title of the Google Meet link, and then you click on save. It will be added up to your calendar. You forward that Google Meet link to the people that are involved. I believe you derived value from this video. Do well to subscribe, like, and then come back to this particular channel for more video tutorials. Thank you.